Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change time Audi Q5. Start by turning the ignition to accessory mode and bring up the MMI main menu with the center knob. Navigate to the settings or car menu and select time or clock. Use the rotary dial to adjust hours and minutes, confirm with the press function, and exit the menu once the correct time is displayed and saved. Access the MMI home screen and rotate the center knob to highlight settings or car, then press to enter. From the settings list, find and select time or clock, choosing manual adjustment if an automatic option is present. Rotate the dial to set the hour, press to confirm, then set the minutes and press again. Verify the AM or PM indicator if applicable, then back out to save and return to the main display. If the clock won't hold changes, check whether GPS or automatic time sync is enabled and disable it for manual edits. Restart the MMI system by turning the car off and on, or use the MMI reset procedure if available. Double-check menu naming variations across model trims, since time may be under Settings, System, or Car. If problems persist, consult the owner manual or visit a dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.